In Swift, we use the reserved keyword func, func, to define a function. Let's see an example. This function will add two numbers and print the output to console. Let's define a variable v1 is equal to 2 and define another variable v2 is equal to 6. Let add these two numbers and print the output to console. Now to execute this function we need to call. I'm calling this function. Now we can call this. Six plus 2 is 8, so it's printed the output to the console. You can also pass the arguments to this function. Let's remove this. Let's add the arguments. v1 is equal to int. You need to define the data type of variable v1 and also you need to define the data type for variable v2. Here we need to pass the values. I'm passing v1 as 20 and v2 as 80. Let me run this. +20 + 80 is equal to 100. So 800 is the output and it's printed to console. We can also return value to the function. We use this syntax. For return type. I am returning int to this function. Let add v1 and v2 and return to the function. So this function add v1 and v2 and it returns the sum of this v1 and v2. So we need to save the return value. For that I am using another variable v3. Now I can print v3. Let me change this to 40. Okay, let me run. 40 + 80 is equal to 120. So in this way we can define a simple function. We can pass the arguments and also we can expect a return value from the function.